Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. Today we are going to be decorating and styling my coffee bar area and my sideboard, which is next to the coffee bar, for the summer season, guys. Guys, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers for all the love and support. And if this is your vibe, guys, if you love home decor, you love DIY, you love shopping hauls, I'm here to motivate, guys. I'm not an interior designer. I just love styling my home. I love doing decorating. I just hope to inspire someone and give you guys maybe some ideas to also decorate your home. This is what this channel is all about. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to put your notification bell on so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Please, guys, show your girl support. I'm trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers to grow my YouTube channel and continue to do what I love. As I've always said, your home is your peace and your happy place. Style it to your liking and your style. It doesn't matter what anyone says. This is your home. Do you and decorate it to your liking. I hope you enjoyed this decorate with me. Until the next time, thanks for watching. I'm adding this beautiful little purse flower vase on the top shelf that I picked up from Home Goods. I picked up this beautiful little bowl tabletop decor from Burlington, and I absolutely love this piece. I also have it in gold. I picked up this beautiful bowl mug from Bells, and the other two are from TJ Maxx, I believe. I purchased those in a set of 2. Guys, I'm loving this bow thing. I'm so in love with this bow thing. I've been doing the bow theme since like Christmas, and I think this year and the upcoming year the bow thing is gonna keep going. This little canister here, I picked it up from Bell's outlet. It does have a lid, which I'm gonna be using somewhere else. As you can see, it's a little floral arrangement that I added inside a glass cup so that it could fit perfectly inside a vase. I also picked up this beautiful little mug purse from Ross with a little pearl handle on it. Absolutely cute. I love that. This little tea cup or tea kettle, glass tea kettle, I picked up from Marshalls, either Marshalls or TJ Maxx. And the other set of canister, I also picked it up from Marshalls, and I add my powdered milk in there. The smaller one has my sugar in it. This little fake croissant tabletop decor as well, I picked it up from TJ Maxx on clearance. I believe I paid like $3 for that little croissant plate. Those canisters I picked them up from Home Goods. I have 2 of them. One of them has my regular coffee and the other one has decaf in it. I did add one of them to a pedestal to give it some height. And this is the lid to the canister that's on top of the middle shelf. I just added it on top of the coffee, the Keurig. And then this beautiful vase I picked up from Marshalls, and the flower arrangement in there, I got them from Walmart. And in this nice little cloche, I just added some fake lime that I picked up from Home Goods. This is the sideboard area that we are going to be styling now. Those are my Miami vases that I picked up from Z Gallery. I absolutely love those vases. I have two of them, the tall one and the shorter one. And I added some pink floral arrangement that I got from TJ Maxx, I believe. Those are two full coffee table books that I picked up from Target last year. And I added it just to give me some height. In the middle there, I'm adding this candle vase or candle holder that you can use differently, and I just added some moss green balls in there. I picked it up from Ross, I believe, this piece there. And my 3 decorative boxes, those I believe I picked up from a store, some kind of Ben Deals or some store that I picked it up from.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.